Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, but before we go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you're getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow with the analysis, before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. This had been on downtrend right from here. You can see the red flag, and of course this had been selling since then, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Of course it has got into this support zone. If it's unable to break out from here, it will go back into a buy trend, but once it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Okay, it is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time. In case it breaks out, I mean it does not break out below the support zone, then it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500. It was on downtrend before, but got to the support and was unable to go further, so it's decided to have a pullback. Okay, got to this region, came back again, and of course got to this region again, and of course this is selling at the moment. Okay, so it has not been able to break out above this resistance zone, so it's going to sell again. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it means it's most likely for it to get to this region. Okay, but if it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it will try out the resistance zone again and see if it will break out above it. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This had been on a very strong downtrend, and of course it has been selling and selling, but it got to this support zone, and of course right now it's trying to go back on buy trend. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Crash 500 had been on uptrend right from this support zone. You can see how it has been buying up and up, and of course this is still giving me more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so of course guys, if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, it will go back into a downtrend, so you should take note of that. Okay, so the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on a very strong uptrend, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all the assets that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God